Recording.
218 here.
In the area.
Can you show us around LCJ with 1 starting miles when you're ready?
Go ahead.
46374.
46374 with 1 LTJ.
Very nice, you may shoot maybe off of Clay and Stickney.
Copy, go ahead.
Maybe like 15 gunshots, we don't see anything yet. Or down anything.
Copy, heard 15 gunshots, nothing seen yet.
There's going to be a black male.
Copy, does take a black male.
Raise your hands! Who's shooting? Who's shooting?
Copy, in the area.
We're getting shot at! We're getting shot at!
Shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired, you're closing, crew going that way, close. Copy, crew's head that way.
Keep walking!
They're Woodward and Doyle.
It's on Stickney. Yeah, they're always on Stickney. I didn't see who was shooting, but they're shooting at us.
Copy, after hours on Stickney.
Holy fuck, you good?
Yeah, good.
Medicals around, leaving person shot, call in.
Hey, when you're approaching, cut your lights and your
Two
sirens.
offensive with that.
Copy.
Hey, when you're approaching,
cut your lights and your sirens.
Cut your lights and sirens when you approach.
You're passing us, you're passing us, you're passing us!
Ready, copy.
Ma'am, what's going on?
What's your LT?
Well, where's the shooter?
319, they say that there's someone shot. They're walking westbound off Stickney.
Copy, someone shot walking westbound off Stickney.
Show me.
We have a call from a Lawrence. He was shot by a stray bullet. He's at 735 East Hudson, your auto.
Stop! Stop!
Okay, that's fine, thank you. Where did the shooter go? This is your car, man. This is your car. Yeah, we're cool. I don't know where we were walking up here. We were walking up here.
Okay, let's not stand out in the open, guys.
Yeah.
Who's shooting over here?
Brilliant. Did you have a description of the suspect?
No, absolutely not. It was pretty dark. We couldn't see. We just heard their own.
Did you guys?
Copy.
Yeah, we're good.
Still, I have the 319. Are you calling?
Excellent, my bad.
Copy.
Stickney in Oakland. That's where we heard the first gunshot. We were right across the street.
Copy. Stickney and Oakland is where first gunshots were heard.
Did you see anybody? I just heard the rounds. I didn't see
I just heard the
shit.
rounds cracking over our heads.
119 on Stickney.
Copy.
Yeah, he was just walking across the street. We just snagged him up real quick.
419, you in the area.
Copy.
So I don't know if it was put out, but be advised we were told that shooter ran down Stickney towards Hudson.
Shooter in Stickney towards Hudson. CD says
Have any update on the person shot?
CD says a walk in, and we also had a victim that's supposed to be limping. He's got shot at the after hours. He's supposed to be at 3118 Stickney.
There's shot casing right there. Someone kicked.
Copy, thank you.
18 to the area, looking.
Copy, looking.